Hi guys, today Loka and I are going to show you guys how to make, what are we going to make today?
Make oat energy balls.
Peanut butter oat energy balls. So these are a great thing that we like to have on hand. We used to make them all the time. It's kind of like a phase that we go through. We make them really often and then we stop making them. But there's so many different options and then they're just great to have in the refrigerator, in a mason jar, easy to grab for a snack. So today we're going to show you guys how to make this kind. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is oats. We're going to use half a cup.
Half a cup.
Half a cup. Okay, and we're going to scoop it in here. Okay. Okay, we need a half a cup of peanut butter. Peanut butter in here.
Yeah, scrape it off.
Yeah.
Why put so much peanut butter in there?
Need a half a cup.
All the way up to the
dump it
top?
in, all the way up to the top. You get it out, or do we need a spoon?
I need a spoon.
Okay. Let's use a spoon. Scrape it all out. Okay, folks, you want to dump in the chocolate chips? You need a half a cup of chocolate chips. Dump them all in. Get all of them. Okay. And then we're going to use 1/3 cup of maple syrup. You want to pour it in? No?
Go.
If I can open it.
And there's the blue thing on the bottom of the green thing.
Thanks, baby.
I use that. Oh, wait.
There we go. I got it, baby. Thank you.
I may pour it in.
Clearly, I'm not strong enough. All right. Do 1/3 cup.
1/3 cup. I want to taste some.
At the end. At the end. Dump it in.
Okay.
Pour it. Make sure. Oops. Be careful. Make sure you get it all in like this. And of course, we need to go in for a little taste. All right. And we're gonna stir it up.
Yum yum.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay, stir it up.
You got stirred up. So you don't see chocolate chips for the maple syrup anymore.
Yeah, the chocolate chips are gonna get covered by everything, right?
You're making oat energy balls.
And like I always like to suggest, doubling the recipe or tripling the recipe is always a really good idea because this way you're set. These don't really go bad for a while, so you'll have a bunch for at least for like a week or two. And they're, like I said, good healthy snacks you can just easily go to if you're in a rush. I'm not gonna stick our fingers in. All right, so once you mix it up, it's gonna kind of look like that. As you see, that's only one, it's the only one batch and that's all it's gonna make you. So again, I like to double the recipe. Okay.
You double the recipe. Are we gonna do it?
We're not gonna double it this time, but
Why?
because we're gonna make a few different kinds. Okay, so after you mix it all up, you guys are gonna throw this in the refrigerator for 30 minutes so it makes it easier to roll them so they don't get so sticky to your hands. Once they come out, I'm gonna show you guys what they look like and we're gonna start rolling them up. All right, guys, so our peanut butter balls are all done being in the refrigerator for 30 minutes, so they hardened up a little bit so that they're easier to roll. We're gonna roll them out and put them on here, and then you can either put them in the refrigerator or the freezer for a little while until they get a firmer consistency, and then you can put them in a mason jar, and then they're good to go. I'm gonna show you how to roll them out. We'll roll out a couple for you guys just so you can see what they look like, and then we'll be done here. All right, so I make mine about like that size. They're like a little bit bigger than a bite size. I would say like a 2-bite kind of everything. There's Luke rolling one.
Yeah.
All right, good job, Luke's. How about here? That one. Roll, roll, roll. Again, this is only one batch, so we should probably get, I don't know, about 8 to 10 balls of them. And it's good, like I said, if you want to make a few different kinds, it's nice to have the jars stored in the refrigerator. And it's a great activity, honestly, like you can see, involving your kid. So if you want to do a cooking class, this is a really easy one to do to involve them, and it makes them want to eat it too, you know. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys. We'll roll one more out. Look, you do one more, and I'll do one more, and I'll show you guys what they look like.
I'm showing them too.
Okay, put it on here when you're done, and we'll show them. All right, so far we got all these balls going right here, and that's what they look like. We're gonna throw them in the freezer, and then once they, like I said, once they get a little firmer, we're going to put them in a mason jar and enjoy them. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you guys can stay tuned to what we have in store for you guys next. Have a good day. Bye.